video, we will draw and color a cow. Cows are domesticated animals primarily raised for their milk, meat, and leather. They belong to the species Bos taurus. Cows are ruminants, meaning they have a unique digestive system that allows them to break down tough plant material through a process of fermentation in a specialized stomach. Cows primarily eat grass, hay, and silage, but dairy cows may also be given grain to increase milk production. Dairy cows are bred specifically for their ability to produce large quantities of milk. The most common dairy breed is the Holstein, known for its high milk yield. Beef cattle are raised for meat. Popular beef breeds include Angus, Hereford, and Carlow. Cows are social animals and form strong bonds with herd mates. They communicate through vocalizations and body language. Cows can live for 15-20 years, but in commercial farming, their lifespan is often shorter due to economic factors. Cows produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas, through digestion, contributing to climate change. Sustainable farming practices are being researched and implemented to reduce this impact. Cows have been integral to human agriculture for thousands of years, providing essential resources and playing a significant role in various cultures and economies worldwide. And we're done. See you in our next